Hey guys, it's a really miserable day outside, so I feel like today is it's the perfect day for a bath. So I'm going to be trying out some of the new LUSH Halloween stuff, and I'm also going to be trying out some new skincare. I think I'll have my bath first, because I just really need a bath. Like I just am craving one, so I'm going to have a bath. I'll show you what I'm going to be using in my bath today. This is the pumpkin bath bomb. I'm so excited. So I'm going to use that today. And then I'm also going to use the Bewitched bubble bar. It smells so good. I think I just got something hurt in my eye. Whoops. In the bath, I'm going to use the Ghost in the Dark soap. So I'll go downstairs and I'll chop him up. So that I can use him in the bath. And then I'm also going to be using, this is the, I don't know how to say it, it's like soft color or something, massage bar. I'm so excited, so I'm going to try that. I love the LUSH massage bars. And then while I'm in the bath, I'm also going to be lighting the Bath & Body Works Marshmallow Fireside Candle. I finally bought a new one, so I can now burn all my old ones. I was saving these because I only had one backup. Now I have two backups, so yeah, I'm gonna burn this now and then I'm gonna start running the bath, and then I'll show you what it looks like when everything is in the bath. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is how it's all looking. It looks so nice. I'm so excited to get in. This is it's kind of got a weird color because the bubble bar turned the water purple, and then the pumpkin one has turned it like orange, so it kind of is a very dark orange color. But anyway, the candle smells so good. I love it. Yeah, and I'll just get my Coke. I'm gonna watch some Ellen O'Neill. I've got my soap and my massage bar ready. So yeah, I'm gonna have my bath now, and I will talk to you guys when I get out. Okay, so I just got out of the bath, and by the way, I'm not naked. I do have something on. It's a towel. So I have a few products to try out today. I have a cleanser, a face mask, lip scrub, hydrating serum, and a face milk. So the first thing that I have here is the LUSH Angels on Bare Skin Fresh Cleanser. So I use the Dark Angels typically. That's what this one looks like. I got this sent as a sample in my last LUSH order. So yeah, we're just going to try it. With these, you typically make them into like a paste. So you kind of get some in your hand, run some water in it, and then mix it up until it's kind of like a paste. So that's what I'm going to do now. Straight off the bat, I don't think I like this as much as the Dark Angels. One, the smell is really, really awful. I don't know, it just stinks. If you've ever smelled it, let me know if you like the smell or not, because I cannot stand it personally. But also, it was really hard to kind of lather up, I guess. The Dark Angels one seems to make a paste like a lot easier, whereas this one was quite chunky, quite hard to get on, I feel like. So I don't know if I love the formula of this one, but in saying that, it does feel really, really nice and creamy on my skin. It feels a lot gentler than my Dark Angels one. Dark Angels is more for oily skin, so I don't use it too often because I have like kind of combo skin. I'm not super oily though. So I think this one is a bit gentler. Is that a word? But anyway, like it feels nice. It was just hard to get on and it just stinks, but I think I'll definitely try it out and see how it goes for my skin, because if it like has good effects, then you know, I can probably, what's the word, like excuse the smell and the way it's on. But anyway, I'm gonna wash it off now. So I'm just gonna take my blush off to wash it off. Alright, so I feel like my skin feels quite nice. Yeah, so I think, you know, that's good. It doesn't feel tight or anything. It doesn't feel like it's stripped to my skin. It just feels clean and fresh. I don't have an exfoliator or anything to try out today, but I do have a face mask. This is the Mecca Cosmetica Fresh Faced hydrating hydrogel sheet mask. So yeah, I'm excited. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to go off camera and go downstairs and get dressed and stuff, because I won't be able to put a top on like after this is on, if you know what I mean. And then I'll tell you like my thoughts when I come back, because obviously I'll have to leave it on for, it says 15 to 20 minutes, so I'll come back in like 15 minutes and show you how it looks and tell you how it felt and everything. So yeah, I'll go do that and I'll be back. Okay, the face mask didn't last very long and I took it off because it just kept falling off my face. I have had ones before and I feel like other ones have stuck better, but yeah, that one just, I was trying to watch my YouTube video and it just kept sliding off and I was like, maybe it'd be good to lay down, but I just feel like I would rather do a normal, like a tub of mask, you know, one that you paint on. But anyway, it does feel nice, but don't think I would get it, like repurchase it. They just gave it to me for like my birthday, I think, so that was really nice. I think that's really nice, but yeah, I don't think I will spend my money on it. But anyway, moving on now, we are going to try out the Lucid Skincare Hydrating Serum. I got sent these from Lucid Skincare and yeah, I'm really excited, so let's try it. You guys know I love hydrating stuff. Oh, this is very nice. It has a nice smell too. Oh wow, that feels really nice. It's like a bit thicker. It's kind of feels like water, but it's a little bit thicker. Not thick enough to be a gel, but thinner than a gel, thicker than a water. It's like an in-between. But it also doesn't feel oily at all, like it's not like a serum, so. But that does feel really nice. I do really like the smell of that. It just feels like really fresh. Like it doesn't smell like fragrance, it just smells like skincare. Like day spa kind of thing. So yeah, I really like that. I don't really have that much more to try out, but now we're going to try out the Colourpop or the 4-3 Beauty Face Milk. This was a part of the Colourpop Land one, and this one is in the scent Coconut. So it just comes in this little thing here, and this is just like a moisturizer, I'm pretty sure. Okay, feels quite thick. I'll just put that much on. It does smell like coconut, but it's not super overbearing. It's just like a very lightly fragranced. Okay, it feels a lot different to what I thought. I do really like it though, like first impression. It feels a bit creamier than the hydrating serum. I don't know, and I feel like it sinks in really fast, which I do like. The one thing that turns me off moisturizer is when it sits on top of my skin. I really hate that. I think that's super annoying, but this one feels like it's sunk in like really fast and just kind of was like my skin just had a drink. Okay, I feel like my skin is feeling so plump and so hydrated. It's got a little bit of like a stick to it, you know, but nothing like annoying. So yeah, the last thing I have to try out is the Toffee Apple Lip Scrub from Lush. I've already tried their lip scrubs. This is the one they brought out with the Halloween collection. It smells amazing. I just ordered all the Christmas stuff. And they have a candy cane scrub coming. I'm so proud. I love their lip scrubs, honestly. And this tastes so good. Love it. Love it. Alright, let's talk about everything I tried today. First, the Bewitched Bubble Bar. I really love it. It smells so nice. Even now, I just smell so nice. It turned the bath like a really pretty purple colour. Made heaps of bubbles, which is always good. The bath bomb, I think it was fun. Nothing really stood out about it to me. Like, it's not a favourite. I didn't particularly like overly love the smell. It was fun though, like, if you know what I mean. Like, it's not like it was a bad bath bomb. It's just not one that I would probably repurchase. Like, I have my favourites from Lush. So yeah, it didn't really stick out to me. The soap the Ghost in the Dark soap. It's really nice. It smells very citrusy. Felt really nice on my skin. The massage bar I used, I loved it. I think it's called like soft cocoa or something. I don't know how to say it, but when I started rubbing it on myself, it smelled kind of like caramel chocolate. It was so nice. But yeah, my skin feels so hydrated. I just wish you guys could feel it. Like, I feel so nice, and just, yeah, the bath was such a nice relaxing experience, so I loved that. I do like the cleanser, like the way it made my skin feel. I'm gonna have to keep trying it out and seeing if it's worth the smell and the annoying application. But yeah, apart from that, like the actual way it made my skin feel, I do like. As for the mask, it was a no-go. It just kind of felt like a supermarket one, and I'm just gonna be honest about that. Like, it felt nice, but it didn't feel like amazing. It felt like kind of like the $2 ones you buy from Coles kind of thing, you know, like it wasn't anything groundbreaking, and I don't think I would spend my money on that. Actually, I know that I wouldn't spend my money on that. I really liked the hydrating serum and the face milk. I think those two are really, really nice. They're definitely gonna be new staples, and I love these. I love the taste. It's so good. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Oh my god, it's sour. I really hope you enjoyed it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.